Should you hire your Social Security disability attorney to represent you in your ERISA disability long-term appeal? Well, I happen to be a lawyer who practices both Social Security disability law and ERISA disability law. There are not a lot of us around who do both. And I will explain to you in this short video why you don't want your Social Security disability attorney to represent you unless they're an experienced ERISA disability attorney. The burden of proof in a Social Security disability case is a lot different than in an ERISA disability case. Social Security uses a 5-step sequential evaluation to determine your entitlement to benefits. And at age 50, they can apply something called the grids, which look at your functional capacity in terms of your physical abilities, your education, and whether or not your skills are transferable. So the analysis of a Social Security disability case and the burden of proof is completely different than in an ERISA disability case. What do I mean by that? There is no uniform disability plan or policy. Every carrier has different policies or plans, and they have multiple versions of it. What's crucial in the disability policy or plan is the burden of proof that you have. And the burden of proof is not the 5-step sequential evaluation. You have to understand in the terms of the policy or the plan, what is the definition of disability? What is the definition of occupation? What medical or vocational evidence do you have to submit to prove that you can't do your own occupation, either as it's performed for your employer, in the local economy or the national economy, and when the definition of disability changes, that you can't do any occupation by virtue of your education, training, experience, and your restrictions and limitations. One of the key differences here is that age is not a factor in an ERISA disability case, but many Social Security disability attorneys think that just because they won your Social Security case, that should be enough. It should be a slam dunk to get your ERISA disability benefits. Nothing is further from the truth. And many times I have to pull them out of the fire, if you will, at the last minute by handling an appeal on the initial level or potentially at a second appeal level. Or I have to give them the bad news that they've screwed up the client's ERISA disability appeal, and now we're stuck with limited remedies in federal court. So please don't hire your Social Security disability attorney to represent you in your ERISA disability appeal. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you get the disability benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States.